my dear friend. So today is day 4 of learning Excel. So today we will learn how to calculate average in Excel. So firstly, so what's the meaning of the average? Average means sum of the numbers divided by the count of number, or we can say numbers is equal to observation. So here is the number. So if we calculate the total of the number and we divide it by the number of count, so we get the average. So now there is a one shortcut formula for average. So let's discuss this one. So now is question is calculate average of quantity. So here is a quantity. This is the full data. So this is quantity, so we have to calculate average of quantity. So how we can calculate the average of quantity? We have the two option. Firstly we have to calculate the total of number of sum and then divided by the count, total count of the numbers, then we get the answer average. But in Excel we have a one formula is equal to average. So here we can use this formula average. So in question what they ask average quantity. So here we can select the full range of quantity and bracket close and press enter. So we know we get the answer of average. Now second question is we have to calculate average quantity in Mexico. So Mexico is country. So here is country name, and we have to find only average of Mexico country. So how we can find this thing? So there is we can use another formula of average. Average if then select the first is we have to calculate the average quantity in Mexico. So we have to select the country, comma, what we have to find Mexico average quantity. So Mexico, comma, and then average range. So we have to calculate average quantity of Mexico. There we can bracket close. Then we get the answer is 42.111. Now third question is we have to calculate the average quantity in Mexico for Nikon. So Nikon is a brand. Nikon is brand, and country is Mexico, and average quantity is. So there is a when condition is two or more, so we can use average ifs. If the condition is only one, so we can use average if, and if there is no condition, so we can use only average. So now there is a two condition, so we can use average ifs, ifs. So first condition is, so first we have to select the average range. So this is average range, comma, second, but we have to select first state, but we have to calculate for Mexico. So we have to write Mexico, comma. Now second criteria is brand name. So we have to select brand name. So what's the, okay, Nikon. So we have to write it Nikon only, Nikon. Then bracket close. What we get only 47. So let's check first how to our answer is correct or not. So one by one here. First is average quantity. So if we select the full range, so Excel automatically show the average here. You know the answer is 42.91, 42.92, and 44.92. Okay. Now second is average quantity in Mexico. Firstly we have to filter only Mexico sale, uh, Mexico sale, and it is 42.11. So our answer is also same, 42.11. And third category is firstly we have to filter only Mexico, and brand name is only Nikon. So we select Mexico, then we have to select only Nikon, and here is average is 47, and we know all the answer. This one. So we get all the answer. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Have a good day.